I am Dr. Ramesh Shaha, an assistant professor at IIIT Sonipat, and would like to thank to first of all Director Sir of IIIT Chandigarh, Professor B.R. Guzer, and definitely course coordinator Professor Mutri Datto ma'am, and various eminent speaker like Professor Gupta sir, Professor Sunil Dutt sir, and others, and for providing beautiful lecture on the pedagogy. And from my side, it was a very really good workshop, and they try to give the lots of knowledge of teaching pedagogy of the program. As a coordinator, I request to my director sir, Professor Emin Doza sir, to conduct similar kind of workshop in our institute. And another thing, because I completed my MTech from NIT Biltier Kolkata, and there's so that lots of faculties teacher is coming to there for that type of pedagogy. I'm very happy to part of this pedagogy program. Thank you.